Hello, this is Bobby from TV Repair with a video today of mainboard for Toshiba 40S51U that was repaired here and is about to be returned by a customer. We make those videos especially when we're starting to do repairs for new units to ensure customers that the boards that we're returning are indeed functional. On our site, this is the board. You can see behind it our own mainboard from the testing unit, but all the cable and wiring is on the customer's board. You can see I'm pulling it out, and behind is our own board. This is the customer's tag, and this is the customer's marks on the board as we asked them to leave. This is one, and there is another one. I'm not sure that JM was the correct initials of the customer's name. Yeah, it sounds to be. Okay, so let's move to the front of the TV. And this is our testing signal. And this is the remote that I'm using. Power on. Let's see, we're powering off. And then powering on again. There's the blinking, and this is the video. That is all. I will be returning that board to the customer. Thank you.